bought you a mouse that squeaks and spins. It even lights up when the game begins. I waved it left, I waved it right. You blinked once, then called it a night. There's a feather on a stick I shake with flair. You just yawned and licked your hair. I built you a castle made of cardboard dreams, but you rather nap in my laundry, it seems. Chase the toy, please, just once today. I didn't buy this laser for you, look away. Do a zoomy bad thing, just show a sign of life. Instead you sit and judge me like a tiny furry wife. Oh, chase the toy, please, I'm begging you to care. But you just blink and vanish into your favorite chair. Instagram says cats love this track, but mine's laid out flat on her back. I crinkle bags, I tap the floor. You just stretch and ignore me more. The treats are out, the bell is rung, the fun begins, and then you're done. You chase ghosts at 3 a.m., but not now, not ever again. Chase the toy, please, don't make me beg. You stared at a wall for an hour instead. I tried the one, the ball, the fish with the string, but apparently naps are your favorite thing. So chase the toy, please, or give me a clue. What do I do to entertain you? I thought we'd be a team full of fun and pounds, but all I get is judgment by the ounce. I spin and dance and make silly noise while you sit there thinking, look at this boy. Chase the toy, please, or teach me your ways, how to sleep 18 hours and still throw shade. Maybe one day you'll surprise me and run, but until then, I guess I'm the only one chasing the dream of you chasing the toy. You moody little loaf, my complicated joy. I guess I'll play fetch with myself again. Love you though, even when you pretend I don't exist.